I'm out and about at Makeni Garden Centre and I'm gonna buy plants. So today I'm making my way over to Makeni Garden Centre to buy some plants. There's a small container garden that I've been thinking of for quite a while, and I want to put together an arrangement in a plastic pot. And one of the reasons I like Makeni Garden Centre is they've got a wide selection of affordable non-succulent plants. As you drive in, you can see that here we have some upcycled aluminium tin cans, little succulent arrangement, and stuff like this is great, especially if you're looking for a weekend project with the kids, to just grab stuff you've got around the house and just make some simple plantings. Very simple but stunning. But what I do want to say is they do have a really good arrangement of aloes and some cacti, some of the larger ones that you can see at the back there. I'm a big Sansevieria fan, so I'll definitely be coming back to get some of those because they're soldiers, especially as houseplants, for those of us that like minimal watering. And here, I think this is fire sticks, but let me check on that for you. I love the size of their cement pots, nice and deep, so you can really get things growing in there. Things will always need water though, regardless, whenever they're in a pot. So on this side, you can see there's quite a bit in terms of sedges and other herbaceous material right at the back there as well. I think I call it hen and chicks. I'm not sure what other people call it. Really great for hanging baskets. What I'm looking for is some things that are hardy, that need minimal watering, and that will survive even though they're planted in a pot. As you know, when things are potted up, they need more water and more attention. But I'm trying to see if I can find some selection of stuff that's not succulent that can work for me. These agaves look really, really nice. They've grown to quite a good size, and I like the smaller ones as well, the white ones. And I think these would actually do pretty well indoors if someone were to pot them up nicely in a decorative container. And over here, something I'm definitely coming back for, strawberries. I've been thinking about this for quite a while, and they do really well in the winter. They have a selection of fruit trees here. Most of them look like citrus, but I'll get back to you on those at some point. And wow, over here is a whole aisle of roses. Unfortunately, most of these are not in color, and you can see that they actually moved pretty well. There's quite a few gaps in the aisle, but last time I was here, they had like a sea of roses, every imaginable color. Such a wide selection. And over here, another field of roses. So if you're a rose person, this is some palm trees, still very young, but the good thing about these is, they do grow quite large, but also that when they're young, you can pot them up and you can actually use them indoors because most of them have a high tolerance for shade. Not all of them, but most of them have quite a high tolerance for shade. So when I get round to finishing some of the landscaping, we all have projects that we're sitting on for years and years. I'll get back to that. Here is some geranium, well, pelargonium, but commonly known as geranium here in Lusaka. Really, really resilient plant. So I think that might actually be a good one for my current project. Here are some cordyline, and I know these are really, really good in the shade. And when they're in the shade, the color really pops really, really well. Like on these small ones here where you can see the burgundy-ish, maroonish, brownish colors coming out really strong. And a field of Duranta. I probably will be coming back for these because I have seen quite a bit of topiary. As you're driving around, you see people who do these nice sculpted bushes and stuff. So I think I'll put 1 or 2 of these in pots though, in containers, and see if I can, even if I can just make a ball shape, that would be some progress on my part. There's some coleus over there, some agapanthus over there, some ferns over there, alterinums over there, osteospermum. These are a favorite of mine, just because they have really colorful flowers. They're native to Southern Africa, well, South Africa, but they'll do really well here. And there's quite a few herbs there. Here's some of the stuff that really struck me.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you've been inspired to create your own green space. If you'd like to see more content, please follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our channel on YouTube.